Hi, in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to change Shopify theme. Let's come to the computer screen. Here is my admin panel of Shopify, and in left side you will find a menu, and in menu you have to select the online store. When you will click the online store, you will find different sub options. Here is the theme option, and you will see the effect of this click, and you can see our current theme is done, and I am going to change this theme. Scroll your mouse little bit below, you will find different themes. Let's suppose I'm going to add this theme. You have to add it. Theme is installing now. Now you can see our theme has installed, and now we have to publish this. We can customize this, but in my case I'm going to publish it. Publish. You can see I have two themes now. One is refresh and one is dawn. I am going to view the store. You can see overall look has changed because of this theme. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.